I know the speed of reality because I grew a comb-over mustache. What happened, you see, is I was running uncontrollably, and yes, there were a few drinks in me. But for some reason, my eyes were shut. I smashed into a sign, and I fell on my butt. There was blood everywhere and people freaking out. All right, I was freaking out. Well, now I have a scar on my upper lip. And yes, it's a fact. Women think scars are hip, but they're not down with bald spots on mustaches. I'm sorry, they're just not. And really, that's okay. I look like a creeper anyway, but what a lesson to learn. Velocity impacts stability. One morning as I lay in bed, this lesson kept running through my head. I started to think about velocity. The speed of something in a certain direction. My mind started to race with mental stimulation as I tried to keep pace with the sudden inspiration. The thoughts kept coming faster and faster, picking apart every vibration, and I skyrocketed to astral contemplation. From the earth sailing around the sun, moving with such amazing power. Do you know we go over 107,000 kilometers an hour? That blows my mind. We're doing it right now. Well, with my thoughts exploding, the universe got wide. It's like we're on that crazy teacup ride, spinning around as we spin around. Because the sun's still flying through the galaxy at something like, 780,000 kilometers an hour. So I did the calculations of Earth traveling around the sun traveling around the galaxy, which means as I lay in bed, I was actually going 83,460,000,000 clicks. Holy shit, it's a good thing I was laying down. Well, with the realization that all these thoughts were internal, the vast reaches of the cosmos were totally confined, the switch got flipped and I went completely in my mind. All the speed that the universe brought could only go as fast as I thought. So how fast can I think? Well, I got out of bed, thinking cap on my head, started to ponder, just sat for a bit to let my mind wander. As I focused my thoughts, it became quite clear. I run at different speeds, so I shift into gear. Neurons start firing, energy starts flowing, and this is when everything starts going. The connection between everything in me, electrons and protons, even my life force energy. Muscles start twitching, head starts itching, tingle up my spine, no concept of time. Then the ocean of emotion comes crashing in on me, and I'm lost in the philosophy, complexity, and reality of all this synchronicity. How the cells in my body move just the same as every celestial body we've ever given a name. The orbiting system, how information flows with complexity so great, how can anyone know? Everything's linked together, no matter how far. From the tiniest quirk to a faraway star. And when all of these thoughts came together, I was truly thankful I grew a mustache for Movember.